Hi, welcome to RSP Share Care. You are aware that as per SEBI directions, the margin money extended so far by the brokers have been reduced considerably. Also, the Reserve Bank of India has issued warning that the share market is disproportionately going on increasing and warning the investors to be more careful in investing. Also, there are so many ups and downs in the same day. Yesterday, the Sensex was closed around 51,900 and the Nifty was closed 15,576. For quite some, this will be hovered around these levels only. And the mood point is how long the bull run will continue, whether the bubble is around the corner. So let us analyze. As far my thinking goes, the bull run will continue for some more time. To be precise, till the month of November end, the market will not fall because reason number one, the corona cases are reduced considerably. Every day, the impact is less and less, and so many states are lifting the lockdown partially or fully. That is number one. Number two, so many big companies are planning to issue IPO, initial public offers. The prominent names among them are Paytm. Paytm, you are aware that a very big financial group, including banks and etc., it is backed by China's Ant Group. And so many angel investors, very powerful angel investors invested in that. The IPO size would be the biggest ever in India. So not only this not only this Paytm, but also Zomato, Arohan Finance, GR Infra, Jaikumar Construction, Dodla Dairy, AB Sun Life AMC, Tattva Chinta Pharma, Krishna Institute Hospital, etc. The list is very long. My point is, if these issues are to be successful, it is a precondition that the market should be in bull mode. Then only investors will have a tendency to subscribe. The IPO also very much successful. Normally, in a bear market, the IPO will not be that much attractive for investors. So the foreign institutional investors as well as local investors, they will tend to uphold the market. They will pour money for some more time till the month of November. Even there was a planning, NSE also likely to come for IPO. I heard, I'm not sure, but of late there is no such news. It may happen. Above all, the FIIs, foreign institutional investors, are generally will tend to book profit in share market no during November, December only. You are aware that the foreign investors' money is playing a pivotal role in our market, and when they start selling, definitely it will have an impact. Market will crash at the time only. So they may sell generally during November, December so that the year end they wanted to have net cash profit. With that profit, they will enjoy the holidays and as well as they will celebrate the New Year parties. This is happening for quite long time. The past experience shows generally during November, December, that is during Deepavali period, the market will generally subdued. So taking into account all these above factors, market will definitely go high and high till November. It is safe. The bull mode will continue. So of course there is an exemption. If any war breaks out between India and China, it will have negative impact. So also any banking scam crop up, it will have worst effect. These are all general exemptions. Normally, the market will continue to run till November. So happy investing. Of course, there may be some intermittent corrections. Those corrections should be used to accumulate the fundamentally strong shares, which is backed by your homework. What are the points to be taken to select some shares? You please refer my earlier videos, and I hope and trust the share market investing will give you more profit, more peace of mind. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Please do tell your friends. Share market is a wonderful investment opportunity, and don't think it is a gambling. Only my only request is you do value investing, don't borrow money. Hmm. And finally, a word of caution: the money is yours. It is a hard-earned money. Before investing, take the professional advice from financial advisor. Though I am an M.Com graduate, I am not a SEBI registered financial analyst. Better you consult your own financial analyst as well as your due diligence of your mind, and do your homework. Have a happy investing. Enjoy a peaceful mind. Thank you for watching.